The brightsign network service offers powerful advanced features to give you greater control and management over your remote presentation units. In this video, we'll cover a few of these advanced features: groups, status updates, recovery, and firmware updates. Groups allow us to distribute specific schedules and presentations to groups of brightsign units from a single point of management in BrightAuthor. We can appreciate how useful this would be to specifically address units within a certain region, state, or other segment. We already have a default group in our account. To create additional groups, we'll click Add Group here and name our new group. Assigning brightsign units to groups can be accomplished by simply dragging units to the desired group on the status screen, or within a unit setup dialog by right-clicking on the unit and selecting Edit here. With additional groups created, we can now see the power of scheduling specific presentations to groups. brightsign allows us to set a unique schedule for each group by first selecting the group we want to address, and then using the convenient calendar-style schedule to set up our presentations. We can choose from any presentation that has been uploaded to our account. BrightAuthor's status screen under the Manage tab allows us to see the health of our network at a glance. This screen lists all our network groups, and we can expand each group to see the individual units assigned to those groups. It also shows us detailed unit information such as status, the unit's name and description, what active presentations are currently playing on that unit, and connection information. We can also right-click on a particular unit to get unit information and edit the unit properties. The convenient status colors let us know if a unit is running properly and has connected successfully at the last attempt, encountered an error within the last 2 connection attempts, or failed to connect to the network for 3 or more attempts, or has another issue such as a memory card that's too small for a scheduled presentation. This indicates that some action must be taken to bring the unit back online. We can right-click on a red status to get a log of error messages. Also within the status screen, we can quickly see which presentations are scheduled to play back for each group in the right-hand column. brightsign Network also features an auto recovery mode for ensuring that our brightsign unit stays up and running even under the worst circumstances. The auto recovery feature stores the unit's configuration files, including IP information, unit name, and group, within the registry of the unit. If there were ever any change to the SD card due to tampering, corruption, or theft, and all the presentation information was lost, simply replacing the corrupt SD card with a blank card will tell the unit to default to its registry-based configuration files, call into the brightsign network, retrieve its assigned schedule and content again, and pick up right where it was in the schedule. BrightAuthor allows for convenient firmware updates for brightsign units via the brightsign network. When publishing and distributing our presentation schedules to groups units, we can opt to include a firmware update of either the latest production release or the latest beta release here. brightsign Network provides the advanced functionality and control you need to keep your presentations and units running smoothly, no matter where in the world they happen to be.